Welcome back. Today you'll learn how to create overlays. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to make sure that we have a width of 6 and a height of 4. Then we're going to go into our design area and we're going to search for Thanksgiving. So once that loads up, we find the design that we like. I'm just going to go through a couple of these, see what it is that I do like, and then we'll get that uploaded here. So let me see. I think I like, there's a toss-up. There's a couple of them. Let me see. Let's see this one. All right. I think I can work with this. Now, I'm pretty much going to get rid of just about everything on here except for like some of the writing. I do like the writing style here, so we'll keep that. Let's see, do we need both of those? No, because I want to. All right, so the rest of this we're just going to rid of. A lot of the times it's just trying to find something that comes up with what you have in your mind. Trying to use some type of creativity. Using this as inspiration. You don't want to completely just use their overall design, but use it as inspiration for something that you think might go along with what you have in your mind. All right, I think I'm gonna get rid of these leaves. I'm not really a fan of those, so we're gonna get rid of, let's see, most of them. Yep, we're gonna get rid of all this here. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with a mostly blank canvas here. Come up with some, like I have an idea that I'm just not quite seeing in that design. So I think that it's best just to start over with a blank slate. So let's change some colors here. I like this color, but I think I want to go with, should I keep this? I think I want to change some coloring here. See if we can find something a little bit more Thanksgiving-ish. So we're looking at some of the oranges. Let's see, maybe some browns. We'll see what we can come up with here. Alrighty, so we'll go with that. Line up our border here. I still don't know if I want to keep this color or if I want to change it. So sometimes I have to actually get the whole border done to see kind of like, all right, where are we going with this? So sometimes you just got to walk through the process, It doesn't have to be, it's not always about being fast. It's just kind of pulling what it is that you might want. So we're going to duplicate those ones there. All right, let's see. Put that there. I think, yes, I do want to change the color here because I want that to stand out, and it's just not going to stand out with that maroon, I guess you call that. All right, so now we're going to go into position here. We're going to bring that to the front. All right, there we go. All right. Although I got rid of some of those leaves, I didn't particularly like those leaves. I'm going to go back into my elements here. Oh, there we go. He's a cute little turkey. I think we're going to add him there. All right, so now we're going to add some pumpkins and some other items that represent some Thanksgiving here. And we'll put that right there. All right. It's cute. Let's see what else here. All right, now we're going to add some leaves. All right, let's see. Some nice fall leaves. No, all right, that border has the whole inside background that we don't want here. I just want some leaves just to throw randomly, sporadically around here. Let me see. right, that looks good. All right. Doing that. No. All right, I think I'm gonna get rid of the bigger leaves here. See, no. All right, so we're gonna get rid of that. Okay, I was kind of thinking, but I want to try and see if maybe, but no, we're gonna go with this. Sometimes it's about, all right. Okay, that's good there. All right. Let's see. Let's make sure our plugs in there a little bit so we don't lose it. Okay, so that's starting to look good. All right, now let's get our rectangles. All right, so we are going to size these rectangles up here. All right, the size that we're looking for is, I usually do like a 1.7, anything from 1.5 to 1.7 as far as the height. Or the height is 2.5 and the width is about 1.7 or 1.5 depending on. So we went with the 1.7 here. Line that up. Do another duplicate. All right. So now we want to bring that sunflower to the front here and bring that G to the front. All right. All right. Okay. So now we're going to duplicate that. And I want to put the year. So 2024. All right. Okay, let's slide that up. Make sure we have it centered with everything else. Oh, missed it. All right, missed it again. All right, there we go. Okay, so it's centered up. Everything looks good. All right, just a little basic. So we're going to duplicate that, and then we're going to get rid of just about everything. Because this is going to be, I'm going to get rid of all this stuff because we want certain elements to stand out when we put it on our template. So we're going to get rid of all this. We're not going to need that. We're not going to need the background. Get rid of that again. So we want a blank canvas almost except for these words, some of these elements. And you'll see why once I get over to the next process. So we're going to save this. Sorry, I like to save it individually. That way I know that I have everything on there. And we're going to change the second page to a transparent background. I always try to mark that off first so that way I don't forget. All right. So it's very important that the second page where we took off all those elements that we get it down to the bare and we make it transparent. Okay. So now when we get into Lumabooth, we can start pulling the design that we have. So we're going to go with a Thanksgiving one. All right, we're going to put this design in the back. So you're going to start seeing the boxes come up here. We're going to move it around, although a lot of the times I just like to take one box and delete the other ones. So I get one box lined up the way that I want it to be. All right, and then, all right, that's fine. So I'm going to delete the rest of these ones because I have this box lined up so I know that this is what I want. All right, and so then I'm just going to duplicate this, even it up as best as possible. Try to straighten everything, and then duplicate it again. Make sure the lines. All right, change the pictures. 1, 2, all right, 1, 2, and 3, we got that. Then I'm gonna go back in here and the transparent one, remember, look what happens. So all that lines up. So we have our elements that are sitting on top of our template. Okay, so that's why it's very important that we have the transparent and we take away all those other elements. And now we're done. There you go. All right, now that I have that completed, what I like to do is I like to do a test run. So to take some pictures. Hey. All right, and I usually do like 5 seconds. Waiting, so we're going to change the look up. Let's see. Of course I would be. My eyes would be shut. All right, this time we're going to hold this pose in here. All right, there we go. We're good. Okay, go through our disclaimer, which you can put on through the app. All right, so I know that works. It looks good. We have all of our pictures in there. And we are completed. Thanks for sticking around with us. If you're ready to take the leap and start your very own 360 and selfie booth business, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and insider advice from #1 Premier 360 Photos. We're here to help you succeed every step of the way.